Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little different video today. I was inspired to share with you my smoothie recipe, and this is what I call my chakra cleanse smoothie recipe. I was talking to my cousin this morning and telling him about it, and he said he would like to know the recipe, so I figured I'd just share it with everybody. So it's kind of like the Kale-licious from Whole Foods, but with a twist. So first thing is I juice apples, fresh juice apples. You don't have to do that, but like to me, it's a huge difference between fresh juice apples and just juice in a box. So like the enzymes is there, all kind of things. I'm not gonna get into all of it. So that's red, right? But you can also put some raspberries or strawberries in there for your red, right? And then for orange, we have papaya. And then for yellow, we have lemon, but we also have bananas too. So I already have a banana peeled. I just put that in there. Bananas. For green, for the heart, we missed that. It's kale and spinach. That's the heart chakra. For the throat and like the third eye, the blue, I usually use blueberries, but I ran out of blueberries, so this is blackberries. You know, they're kind of like purple, but I usually use blueberries. And then to top it off, I like to just put some chia in there for some good fat. And then I also use this Amla powder. It's high in vitamin C. You don't have to do that. I just started doing that. I don't normally use that. But this is the one I use, just in case you want to know. This is the chias that I use. And then I put my vegan protein powder in there, which is Sun Warrior. That's it. And on. And I also have some ice. I like to put ice in there. Okay, so you can see the color and the consistency. Because I didn't use blueberries, it's not as vibrant, but when I use blueberries, this is normally purple. So, and I like that. It's a little thick, you can use a little bit more apple juice or water or something like that, but that's it. It's really good.